It was a honor and a big pleasure for me to attend to this very important exchange we had today in the Pakistani embassy in Rome about the interfaith dialogue and the role of women, children, and minorities within our society to enrich and foster the culture of dialogue. We are in a moment in which there is a certain regression on the promotion of multilateralism, and even within our society, the cultural paradigm and the educational efforts are not sufficient to ensure a real culture of coexistence and mutual understanding. That's why events like this one, with such a prominent intervention, speeches, and food for thought, can really enrich the dialogue and can also strengthen the ties between the Italian and the Pakistani community, especially with the Pakistani community within the country that is a very prominent one, the most important in Europe, and has a very valuable youngsters that can really give a strong contribution to shape the future of Italy and Europe towards this very important objective. This battle for dialogue and understanding should walk on their legs.
Mr. Fabio, what are the main reasons behind religious fanatic?
Unfortunately, fanatism is also a consequence of ignorance and lack of mutual knowledge and understanding. That's why I do insist a lot on the three key priorities: education, education, education. We need to create spaces of dialogue, of understanding. We need, of course, a very important commitment for the clergy, Muslim clergy, Christian, Catholic clergy, to let work on what is uniting us and not on what is the diversity. Also remembering that also this diversity is a richness, and this is not a reason of contraposition, it's not a reason to foster the culture of hate. It's on the contrary something that is giving more pluralism, more strong and much vibrant society that can also bring up innovation, can create new ideas, can create a bigger space in all possible way to build up a society in which everybody will feel always citizens of first category and never as citizens of second or third category.
Badala, thanks.
Shukriya.